Hey Colts. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a copy of a document and change where we have it saved in our Google Drive. Sometimes you get a document from a peer or a teacher that you need to go in and edit and make a copy of yourself. The easiest way to do this is to go up to File and hit Make a Copy. When you get the copy of the document, that's exactly what it will name it. Copy of whatever the name of the file is. You may want to change it. So you might want to change it to your first name or your initials and the name of the document in there as well. The next option you'll have is actually being able to save or pick which folder you would like it. So if you've created a binder in your Google Drive, what you'll do is you'll click on My Drive, click to get into the different folders. I'd like to save mine in my phys ed folder, and I'll hit Select. From there, we know that that document will be saved into that folder, so it should be really easy for you to find it later. Thanks for watching, and remember, no Colt walks alone.